boom.
Citing sources. Details matter. Introducing Grammarly's citations features. Instant, automated, and seamless. Get your citation in seconds.
He's spitting his IG baddie's food on his first date with her. I'm about to skip because this shit gonna reveal like.
Mula gang, what that is? It's your boy Mac Mula, aka Mula Mac. I'm back with another video. Hey, shorty, check it out. You already know how we rock. Clouds talking because of our pocket. Hey, I'm 2 things up in. I'm the 6 videos in the day. You know how we play. Pull up and spray. Hey, baby.
He said, hey, baby.
Everybody tweeting with y'all. Hey, shorty, I hope everybody having a groovy, fantastic day. Bro, I'm in here chilling.
Let it spray.
Boo, cool, rock with it, cool. Okay, look.
Some kind of
We're gonna get into it for the grade. This be tweaking. I seen him before. I watched him before. All I know is he be tweaking with her. I don't know why he be tweaking with these thotties. Let me stop talking. Hold on. With these beautiful women.
These beautiful baddies that could be thoughts on the ball.
We finna watch him tweak today.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Huey, and I'm back with BADDIE.
Public service announcement. I repeat, public service announcement to all the beautiful ladies watching me right now. I would never do you like this, baby. Okay, what I'm saying? If I'm gonna play with a girl, I'm gonna make sure.
So what you saying? Nigga, you saw this before you reacting to it, or what? Cause
she at least ugly. You feel what I'm saying? If I'm gonna play with a girl for a video, I'm gonna at least make sure she's ugly. Goofy, you was a. What's wrong with you, bro? Are you slow? Why are you playing with this fine piece of thing right here? Wow. I don't play with fine things. Well, I do my thing. No,
I don't play with fine things. I do my thing.
Let me stop tweeting with y'all. You know that.
Every time I got to sell it, y'all was selling crazy girl in Target. Talking about her boyfriend was in prison. In prison? She like jailbirds. Come on, baby. You like jailbirds.
Oh, I like her. Oh, this one he mad.
He sound like that nigga Gerald, the nigga that be doing that IG shit. If he go to the supermarket, he be telling you, yeah,
look at that crazy shit.
Keep it 100 and 1,000 with me. Best of all time. What's your name? Beautiful, you look good as hell. Come on. What's up? What's your name?
he macking her though.
Oh, okay. Sure. My name Huey.
Why you looking at me all crazy?
I like it. She's still entertaining though.
She got a boyfriend? Damn, why you leaving you out here like that? Looking all good and stuff.
She said she got a boyfriend because he locked up.
You locked up? How long?
You should have told me that.
Like 10 years. Damn. I ain't gonna front. It be a lot of niggas that got they got a bad bitch at home and they locked up and shit like that. And, you know, they be trying to hold it down, but we gonna see.
You can kick it, we can hang out.
Why would you tell me that?
What you doing with me? Help you with him. I'll put some money on these books. Yeah, I'll put some money on these books. Hey, give me your phone number. We can hang out. Be quiet when you call, too. I know you got a call.
I ain't putting no more.
She really still love that nigga though, even though she like the last video. She this is for us, but like she, you know what I'm saying? Like you know what I mean? But she free, and yeah, so he got in there. He's like, I'll put, you know what I'm saying? So he acknowledging homie. So that's why she like, okay, like
Money on your.
That's what I
I'll
think.
be quiet though. I'll be quiet though. I'll be quiet. How about this? I'll buy you some food. You feel me? I'll buy you some groceries for your crib or something like that. That way you got free groceries, right? A little $100, $200. And then you can just use the money that you was going to pay for groceries to send to him. But I'm not putting no money on bro books though. I'm not doing that. But I'll be quiet though. You know what I'm saying? I come on the weekends, go boom, go crazy. Hey, go crazy. Hey. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? We go out every now and then, you know what I'm saying? We go get something to eat, you feel me? Like I said, I buy some groceries, come home, you cook, I eat, you feel me? You know what I'm saying?
And her nigga could be official. Nigga just, he had to do some shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's how he was living, and he was taking risks, and he was, you know what I'm saying? He had that bag, and he, you know, but they're not. Like, they still got feelings in them, or they got, you know what I'm saying? Like, so.
It's like that.
No, for real, I'll be quiet.
But the thing is, she probably really just be on some chilling shit. She don't be. See, the last video was different. You like that type of bitch. She just on some shit that where she was playing the nigga from the rip. She really probably was fucking with the nigga and like, and the nigga, she probably had a lot of respect for him. Shit like that. He probably was in her front like, fuck out of here, bitch. Ah, stop. He probably like, he was like, she know like, all right, let me not do nothing. This is my man, curving niggas, whoever was, but he locked up. So now it's just like, damn, like, you know, this is a nice gentleman in front of me presenting himself and shit like that, like, so, you know, but damn, the title said he spit in his eye, like, you spit, a nigga that's in jail, you spit on a nigga, you, like, damn, so I don't know, we gonna see what's going on, cause crazy. Alright, we gonna see.
Why are you playing with these fine ass women, folks?
Yeah, that probably had an end. Her nigga probably was an official nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, just doing what he had to do and shit like that. In the trenches. Bust some moves and shit like that.
That nigga nice. He just grabbed. This nigga is crazy, bro.
So can I eat my own food, or you just want to eat it back?
No, good. Chicken fire. Make sure you don't get salmonella poisoning.
Hey, what I said? She look like an LA girl. And nigga, what I said? So that's just. Y'all are tweaking right now. Have you lost it?
They got the waters and shit.
This mistake is costing Amazon balance. I'm gonna show you one simple trick that saves you a lot of money when shopping.
Watch this. I can show you how to get the sweetest deals online when you shop from major retailers like Amazon and Target. You can drop prices automatically. I can show you how, but I can't do it for you. People are saving real money doing this. 160 million in the last year across thousands of different retail.
Oh, put up grade on that. That's a little decent. What that said, folks? Tell me something. I don't know how enough for me.
This fire cold.
It's a nice place. Don't be giving.
Right.
Really quick though, because you are really going on.
Like, what I'm wondering is, like, she cool with being recorded and what, like, I wonder in her mind, like, what does she think? Like, does this nigga have a motive or you know what I'm saying? Because, like, they on camera and shit like that, so she, like, cause she probably know, like, all right, everybody be vlogging and shit like that, like, so we just, you know, like, I don't know, that's weird. But she's comfortable. She really like, oh, you eating? She real comfortable though. Look at this nigga. I'm about to spin it back. The nigga back. She like, yeah, that's how I be. I be like, yeah, I be chilling with shit like that, like drinking some shit, some smooth shit, just chilling. She fire though.
This nigga is tweaking right now. Playing with her.
He
playing with it, fellas.
Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it.
This is why we need to stop this. Right. I'm starting a petition. I'm starting a petition right now today. We're gonna get these guys off the street. We're not gonna do anything. Nope. Because what he's doing, he's playing with these fire women and he's it up. for everybody else that ain't trying to play. So now, see niggas like this. So now when I come try to talk to her, and I'm trying, you feel me? I'm trying to spit that ginger.
Now you just
and she going, but she not even gonna let herself go because of niggas like this, because niggas play with her.
Yeah, nigga, this ain't like the bitch from the last video we just was reacting to. This is, you feel me? Nah, like,
then it's cold out here, shorty. Then the real nigga like me can't even get none because you play with her.
Definitely a different stature. Look at her posture.
Her head stuck. Violation? You tweaking, bro.
You tweak it, shorty. On phone.
Look at that. All that crazy shit. Tweaking. She said, yeah, it was good.
That water was so good. Still eating.
She look like she just she don't know what like she just don't know what to say, or she just like, oh, you still eating, huh? Like, yeah. She's still chilling though. She's sad.
Still eating, don't go there. This nigga is crazy, yo.
And you put your hands all on my food.
Right.
It's watching you eat like you have.
I don't even know you, bro. That's like some. I ain't gonna lie. Put
I wonder if he's skipping some part.
Girl, put hand on my food at.
I wonder if he's skipping some part, or if I'm just not paying attention really like that, because I didn't see him do all that shit like that. But I guess he's trying to piss her off on purpose or some shit like that. I don't know, or trying to just be.
Before the goddamn. We need to be boyfriend and girlfriend before you got. We need to be damn near like. You know what I'm saying? Like, I damn near love you for you to start putting your hand in my food just randomly. Have you lost it, man? What are you saying?
Not for real, this shit.
And look, she still, look at her. Look at her. Like, oh, sure.
That's what I'm saying. She's still giving this nigga a chance. She's still, that's what I'm saying. You playing with her, you playing with her, you playing with it.
She's still going. You see what I'm saying? But it's the girl's fault too, because why? You like this. You have to like it. Look at her face. It's lit up.
But she had a real nigga, like, you know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, the inevitable, you know what I'm saying? Like, just fucked her whole shit up and shit like that. So she probably know, like, like, you know what I'm saying? Something got took from me and shit like that. Let me be a little more patient and a little more abrasive. And this nigga is on some, like, nigga.
Right now.
Prime is more expensive than ever, but I just discovered a money-saving alternative. Are you still using Prime? At this point, it's the dinosaur of online shopping, but what if I told you there's a new, exciting alternative? The best part is, the discounts are even better than Amazon Prime. We all love getting a good deal, but do we ever...
She ready to go somewhere else. She's...
No, for real. I'm dying bad.
Yo, why you got long ass ads, bro? I know when niggas watch the ads and shit like that, you get, you know what I'm saying? But it should be long as fuck. What happened to them 5 second, them fucking 20, 10 second ads and shit like that?
No, for real.
This nigga's crazy, bro. And look at this fine ass woman right here, bro.
You try her on a you taking her on a robbery at this point. Look at her face. She's like, nigga, you fucking crazy. Sit down.
Ass woman, bro. And he's messing up for real niggas, bro. And
I will. And that's a fact.
It's subordination, folks.
This
This ain't it,
bro. She, yo, word, like she like word. Like Kai, he like word, like she, word.
Oh my god. Hey girl.
You don't believe I'm with this fuck nigga. He really is broke, bum ass nigga. Really got up out of nowhere and.
Okay, honestly, because I'm looking at this guy, right? I'm reading on Instagram, and we sitting here chilling, we good. He was eating his food like an animal. First of all, and then he had the nerve to take something down from us. Yes, I'm laying down. The bill is like $70. I don't know what to do. Like, should I pay her? Like, there hasn't been nobody paying yet.
She shakes. She really like. Yo, should I pay? Damn, he's come on, bro.
Yeah.
He left the camera. The camera still rolling, so he like, fuck that. I need content.
That's terrible advice, bro. Just pay the people, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I can't really tell her to pay her shit. I don't know.
But she thinking this shit is real. Like, she, like, chill. Nah, but see, yeah, this is why I be thinking shit like this be fake and staged, because out of nowhere, somebody else just picked up the camera and is following her. Wait, what is this?
Damn. Hey, what they at? What's over there? What's that is?
It's like LA or some shit.
That's Koreatown. Nigga, that shit look good. That's down the street.
I think he in LA, so yeah, that's LA.
That's somewhere. That's like, man, y'all tweaking. Don't worry, I figured it out. Don't even worry about that. Virgil Avenue. That Target on Virgil on Funnel Grand.
I was just messing with you. My boy got you on camera. Look, he got you on camera right there. I was just playing with you. Man, he already paid her already.
He talking about he paid already. Like, you petty ass like that.
Cuz.
That's so stupid, yo.
It's a
You
prank.
had it zoomed in.
No, that ain't funny. That wasn't funny. That wasn't funny. What's funny is like it's too stupid shit. So I don't know. Nigga.
Yeah, or have something for her to give her. Like, nah, you feel me? I knew you. You know what I'm saying? I got this for you and shit like that. But I knew, like give her something after or something. Like,
Why did you take off the road? Because I was coming to eat. I'm not gonna take a shower, Paul. Oh, yeah.